In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop users from downloading your TikTok videos. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok app, then go to your profile. Then tap right here at the top right corner at that three lines, and then select Settings and Privacy. After that, tap at Privacy, and then just scroll down until you find Downloads. Just tap on it, and it says that Downloads feature allows other people to download your videos and share downloads to other platforms. If this setting turned off, a link to your video can still be shared. However, if you want to stop users from downloading your video on TikTok app, you need to turn off that feature. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.